Layer masking, clip mask, vector mask, and quick mask. Because it is a profitable topic, so I just initiate it rather than going to a next tool. Already we have learned the layers. Now we'll fuse the new topic, masking. So focus to the screen. It makes a difference on the screen. So let's catch to the screen few images. Matte painting, matte paint. So we can get an idea like what is the output will be once we learn this technique. I hope we can able to catch the screen here. Matte painting. Here all the images are original, but in a single place all the things are not there. But the director imagine or the visualizer imagine that these sceneries should be like this. Then the Photoshop artist start mixing these things in such dramatic way that people cannot able to find it is not there in the world in a single place. They feel like it has been taken in a single click of the camera. This credit goes to you because you have mixed the thing in such a manner that audience feel like it is done from a single click of the camera, because everything is original. None of them are painting. Fine. So we got to know like what does matte painting does and what is the things will be happen once you are learning this masking. So masking, alternative name of the mask is matte. Now technical terms, matte is a black and white information. The alternative name of the mask is called matte. Matte is black and white information where white shows and black hides. It's a game of show and hide. Mask is a options which helps the artist to show and hide. And how many type of mask? 4 type of mask. Because you have already learned the layers, so we'll be starting with a concept called layer masking. So what is the topic of the day? Layer mask. The first topic, layer mask. We got to know layers, we got to know brush. Now start of fusing them to make hide and show game on the screen. So step number 1, as if you got to know, we are going to hide some of the portion of the image. Yes, hiding can be done by the help of, there is a eraser in this group. We can able to erase the things and hide it up. So this is a way to hide. But instead of eraser, we are using the technique called masking. And the question comes why we need to use this, because once you erase something by the eraser, we cannot able to go back. Eraser is a tool which erases the images, but how it erases, what it erases, that will be coming up. But for the time you got to know like why not to use your eraser and where to use this mask. Once we erase with eraser, we cannot able to get back the information. But if you are hiding the information, anytime you can able to get back. That is what the concept. So let us start with the first masking, that is called layer mask. Step number 1, open the layer. Step number 2, open the layers. Open the image first, then open the layers. Inside the layer window, there is a small button on the like layer window downside. The third button from the left, 1, 2, 3. This is the button which creates the mask. So we have understood who is responsible to make the mask. This is the button which is responsible to make the mask. Third button from the left side. It helps to do the mask. Now, the time you click this particular button, it create a thumbnail beside to your layers. This is the first step happens. What happens? Once you click on this button, we get a black and white thumbnail beside to the original thumbnail of the image. inside the layer. And this is called image thumbnail, and this is called mask thumbnail. So there are two thumbnail. One is called image thumbnail, another is your mask thumbnail. This is again the information here on your screen. Now image and the mask thumbnail. And this is mask. And image may be in color, maybe in black and white, maybe in any format, but mask is always black and white. This is always black and white, never color. Now we can able to see white is there in the mask, that's why the image is visible. If white, then image is visible. Color and result. Now if you fill here the black, then let us see what will happen. And we know how to fill the color inside the layers. It may be here or it may be in the mask. And start filling this black color on the screen. How to fill? Control backspace. What is the result? The image hide up. The image hide up. Now fill the white. What happens? The image shows up. The image shows up. Hide, show. So we have understood now. None of the image is deleted. Image is as usual on the screen, but with the concept of your white and black filling, it is hiding and showing. Now you can do the same job to a particular part of the image, coming to the mask layer and fill the black color and start seeing the things are hide up. The image has not been cutted up, it is hidden up. Concept of masking. Now, the next tips and tricks. Is it okay till now? Ardhamayinda?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now coming to the layer, it's easy. You can able to make magic, but just a little focus, that's it. Here inside the layer, the image and the mask is separated by a link button. Can you able to see a link? Because of that, if we move the image, the mask also moves simultaneously. Now go back by Control Z. Now unlink this button. What happened now? The image is free now to move. So you can find the extra image which is there inside the mask pop-ups. So we have understood now, image is untouched. It is just hidden up by a color called black. So we have understood now what is the concept of masking and how does this black and white makes the magic on your screen to show and hide something. Now the next, coming to the mask side, we can have to move the mask also. What we are doing now? We are moving the mask. The black color is moving. So this is what the technical things. And this is all the film posters, everything is done like this. A little confused, but it makes the difference. 1 minute. Okay. Just a minute. Come. So does it audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now coming to the mask, we can able to move the mask independently and we can able to move the image independently. Photoshop revolves around this masking technique. Mask, okay, a big level of output can be done up. Now, how to see the mask? The topic, how to see the mask. Mask individually can be shown on the screen by the help of Alt and click on the mask thumbnail. question and answer. How to see the mask only? Mask only. Answer, Alt and click on the mask thumbnail. Next part. How to again apply the mask? Alt and click on the same place. So we got to know how to see the mask independently. Second, how to see the image independently. Then we can have to disable the mask by shift and click. What is the next thing we got to know? How to disable the mask. How to disable the mask and enable. Answer, shift and click. And click. Just scribbling so that you get time to note it up. That's it. So we have understood now how to see the image only and how to hide the mask. How to see the mask only, that also you got to know. Alt and shift is a vital keys which makes the things to be happen on screen. OSK. Alt and click and shift and click. It's done. Now, if we forget the keys, nothing to get worry. Give a right click on the thumbnail of mask and ask for the software. Apply layer mask, disable layer mask. So it is disable layer mask, enable layer mask. Apply and delete are two options are there. Once you apply, then what happens? It is a permanent apply to the image. So your original information will go off. So before that, we need to think twice. So don't go for apply layer mask. Yes, disable is a option which could be used. So what is the things we have understood here? Mask is a process to hide only, but it looks like delete, but it is not deleted. It is hidden up. By whom? By a black and white information. And where it is? Beside to the layer. That's why it is called layer mask. Now we'll see how many methods are there to create layer mask. The first method, click over here. This is one of the method. And the second, like will we go before deleting, let us delete the mask by drag and drop here, delete the mask. Now the second method to create the layer mask. What is the topic now? What is the second method to create the layer mask? This is the first method. The second method to create the layer mask, go to the layer menu, ask to the software layer mask. There are two options here, reveal all or hide all. You will switch to the reveal all, then it will put the white color because you are asking to show him. But if we are asking to the software just hide all, then the software understand we are asking him to put a black color. So we have understood now where is the option of masking in Photoshop in the layer menu. Once again, just closing everything, get open the image, switch to the layer. By default, you will find the layer mask is in a hidden format because the layer is in locked condition. Unlock the layer, then after it will get highlight. Now the question, how to unlock a layer? There are three methods how to make layer unlocking. One,
Drag and
just double click over here. Second, go to the layer menu, ask to the software, layer from background. In this way also, we can able to make a layer to be unlocked. Now the other one, duplication is a method to make it unlock, but that is to be used secondary. Primary, these two options, or else the keyboard shortcut Alt L, then N and B. Enter. This process you know already. any particular options keyboard you can generate up by the hold of Alt. Then it shows the hotkeys L and N and B. B for background. Fine then. So we have understood first how to open a layer. Then after, yes, you can have to switch to the layer mask. Either you can go for reveal all or hide all. Is it clear? Just reveal all. Now, if you need to hide 50% of your screen, then what to do? Select that much of area, go to the mask, fill the black, get it hide. Then after, if we feel like, yes, we need the image to show something from the downside, yes, we can have to make the image to be moved independent. Or you can have to hide it up a little more. So we have understood now what is the benefit of working with layer masking. It is a process where we are hiding and showing. Hope we got to know the technical things. Now we'll be switching to the artistical part. And this makes a major topics. Out, just putting a little speed, open the image, get it okay, get the next image, drag it up with the help of a shift. It will place exactly in the center, close it up, make the layer mask to the up layer and start off hiding the below person by the fill of black color. So we have understood now how 50% of the image has to be shown on the screen. And it could be shown vertically or horizontally. And it could be done after the, masking or before the masking also. Before masking, yes, select this. We need this character only to be shown on the screen. Select that much of area, just hit this button over. So what we have seen now, a little advanced technique to make the layer masking within 2 clicks. After the selection, we can all do, or else before selection also you can do first apply the mask, then hide the object. Now let us see how to make photo cutting with the help of your masking technique. Before you have seen this technique to hide like photo cut. What happens there? The originally gone, original information over. But now we'll see how does this laser tool to be used, but not to make the deleting things, but to make hiding things. Step number 1, just go to the full screen, get it okay. Start doing a rough design, nothing to get worried. Before you have taken a number of care to do all the things. And how to add up? What is the button? Shift, go add up. Over. Does it clear? Just I'm taking approval because it is what you need to do. And click one button over. What I mean, the image is there, nothing to get worried. Now take the brush because you know going to paint the mask. If you want to show something, yes, paint the white. If you want to hide something, paint the black. And this technique is technically called as matte painting. You are just painting the matte. That's why it's called as matte painting. How to see this? Alt and click. How to hide this? Alt and click. Get it zoom. So we can make the finishing with the brush. Now we are using the brush not to paint but to make photo cutting. So now you can see now how does masking can able to help us to make photo cutting. Nothing to get worried if something goes here and there, because we know after painting white it will come up. How to change the brush? Exchange. What is the command? X. So you are seeing now how does the brush is helpful to make matte painting. You are just revealing the image, and if it is not required, hitting the X, getting the brush to turn into black and hide it up, hide it up, hide it up. Make your brush size to get smaller. How to change the brush size? How to change? Open and close bracket. Open and close bracket. Just I'm putting the question and getting answer. Nothing to get worried. I'm not asking you, but to make you sure like you're using that, because now you're onto the full screen. So this is the professional screen where to do work. Now start painting it up. So do rough design, nothing to get worried, because you do have a freedom at any time. You cannot bring it back, because white and black makes the game. Now come to the top side and get it hide. So this particular technique technically called as matte paint, because you are painting on the matte. And what is matte? Matte is a black and white informations where white shows, black hides. And get the brush size to down and go on painting. So nothing to get worried, because you can bring it up by X command. Now it's easy, right? So here, no selection tool, only the brush. Increase the brush size, change the color, sometime paint white, sometime paint black, and get it so, and hide it up. Bas. Wherever your selection is difficult, then you can paint the brush. No need to get worried about like it should come as perfect or not. A lot of places where it to be used, that there you need to use. But to make you know like how does photo cutting is possible through the masking, that we are seeing. Now the director asks like after the cutting is finished, I need to see some of the second character, some of the part of the second character. Switch to the brush, get it okay, and just paint the which color?
Black.
Which color? Black is to hide. To show it is like black is to hide, white is to show, right? Can you see? So the second character, yes, immediately you can show it up. What you're doing now, you're just painting the matte. Once you are okay with this technique, nobody will stop you from your career. Whole posters design and all things are the output of your masking. This is the second degree of Photoshop. First degree, what you have seen? Laser tool, this candy cutting, change, delete, change, no delete, nothing. It is just hide and show. And completely the work is happening with this mask. And mask is a black and white information. Hope you understood the advantage of present knowledge before to your past knowledge. What is your past knowledge? Is lasso. And to delete or copy paste. But what is your present knowledge? Brush. And what you are doing now, brush is not only to make digital painting, but it also helps to make matte painting. Fine then, so it's a rough cut. We have seen how it is working. Now let us see in an artistical way to approach the thing. Fine, so hide or delete the mask. Delete. Now catch the brush to be raised to a bigger size. Get the hardness down and start painting the mask area with black. Now you start fusing the things with a smooth manner. Is it okay? So what you're doing now, you're just fusing the brush with a hardness 0 and showing something and hiding. Is it okay? So this is what you have done. The consequence result is this. Work oka place lo avutundi, output malli oka place lo vastundi. Sometimes it is difficult, but the advantage we have understood. Once you get the advantage, then it is easy for you to understand. Let it hide. So we have used all the property of the brush to get it to work out, hardness and all, and we have seen the black or the white, how they are helpful to us in photo cutting. Fine. One of the theory we have understood, and the practical we have seen like how does it mix the things. Now a little advance. So how does charisma albums and all things are done? So let's take an example in a practical case. Bridal makeup. So if you need to show the image, just open it. What is the technique we have learned? Matte painting or masking. Press down, right? Till now it's okay. Now get this to be turn into black, the behind layer. Yes. Switch to the top layer. Make a mask. Start filling the black first. Now take your brush. Make the hardness down and press the enter and increase the brush size. Just one click on the face. Right? Does it clear? So how we are using the knowledge, that does matter. But you got to know like what is masking and how to use the mask to reveal the subject. Is it clear? Ardhamanda?
So 1 second.
Fine. ఒక canvas తీసుకోండి, black color fill చేయండి. Just bring the images, either it is in your hard disk or anywhere, and either drag and drop or paste it up. Then use the mask and go to the mask person. Because this is white, that's why it is visible. Make it to black. How to make it black? By the control and backspace. It will make the background color to fill here. Control and backspace. You can see control, backspace, make it active. Now it becomes hide. It is no visible more because behind black is there. That black is visible. This not this black. Now here it is the mask layer. మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలా, ఈ ఏరియాలో ఇమేజ్ రివీల్ కావాలా, రైట్? టేక్ ది వైట్ పెయింటింగ్ అండ్ పెయింట్ ఇట్ అప్. ఇక్కడ పెయింట్ చేస్తున్నాను, మాస్క్ మీద పెయింట్ చేస్తుంది, ఇమేజ్ మీద కాదు. ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ అన్టచ్డ్. బికాస్ ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ అన్టచ్డ్, if we want to see other part of the image, unlock the button, take the move tool and shift the position of the image. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we have understood now how to use the masking technique and the brush. It's a commercial topic. We have started up in the middle because brush, you know, layer, you know, so it is to be get done. Yes, a lot of tools to be learned, but within one tool also a lot of things could be done. But the vital topic going on now is masking. Out of that,
Sir?
the first masking. Yes, tell me.
Sir, background you told you need be, should we do compulsory black, sir?
No, no, man, no. Anything you can able to put. This is an example given. So the topic is here.
Okay, yes, sir, I got it, mask and layers.
Yes.
It's a query, sir. Every time you are putting background black, no, sir, that's the reason.
Like anything you can able to put. But to focus only to the subject, we have get it concentrate onto the target.
Okay, sir.
Fine then. So we have understood now how to use this mask, how to make the image to get free, how to make the mask to get it free, and how to move the mask. So what is happening now? Mask is moving. And what is happening now? Image is moving. That means it is possible. And what is happening now? Both are moving. Is it clear? So it allows the artist to move the mask separately, move the image separately, move both of them together. And the next, we can add up some more information to the mask in different way, right? So what you have seen now, we are just designing the matte. That's it up. No photo cutting, just design the matte and see the matte. This is what your mask. You're completely working on the mask portion. And to get add up, yes, a small line to be add up. Yes, you can able to add a small line. Just fill the white, show the image there. That's it. Just fill the white on the mask. Does it understandable? And then so this is what to be learned. That's now we have came across because we don't have time now. We need to move to the higher option only. So anyway, it's not happening, then I will get it clear once more also. Now check the screen. In the last class, we got to know about the color modes. How many modes are there? 26 modes are there. What is the mode we have learned in the last class? Difference color mode. What is the behavior of the difference color mode? It makes the white color on the screen to turn into black if you're painting with white color. So let us see what happens here. We are into the, where we are now? We are into the mask layer, not in the image layer. How to see the mask? Just Alt and click. I'm just putting question and answers. So it may be your questions. In that way, I'm just involved inside the character. Now take the brush, start fusing the mode, like exchange the mode to the difference mode. Now start painting here. What will happen now? It will make the white area will turn into black instantly. Am I right? No? So check to the screen. If we hit once more, again it will turn into the next. Again once more, done, done. And see the output now. Now we are just making a different game on the screen. Just you are doing the painting on the mask layer with the difference mode. Complete fusing the things. And again back to the normal. Yes. And paint the white. Now the radial blur and texture comes because of your difference mode. And a lot of math can be done from your end. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Repeat it again, sir.
Yeah. Just completely, I'm deleting all the things. So nothing to get worried. Just it is high-end concept, and to be a little focused to the target. If it is not happening, also no need to get worried. Step number 1: make the mask to activate. Step number 2: get the mask to turn into black by the fill of Control backspace. Now it's the time to go for painting with the brush. We know the brush, and take the white color. Don't paint on the image. How to know it is image or the mask? Whenever you're clicking on the mask thumbnail or like layer thumbnails, you'll find a white color border. Can you able to see? Can you able to see white color border on the thumbnail of the image in the layer?
Yes, sir.
Now that means it is activated. We should not paint on this layer, on this activated thumbnail. We need to paint on the other side. This is what the mask thumbnail. Does it okay now? So the time you click on the mask thumbnail, your FG and VG will convert into black and white only. But sometimes if you are here and you want to take color, you can take it up. But if you are in the mask, never you can take a color. So this is how we can never check where we are. And the second thing, how to know we are in image or thumbnail, because this is the first problem happens to an artist. And painting mask చేసిన టైంలో ఇమేజ్ పెయింట్ అయిపోతాయి. ఇమేజ్ పెయింట్ అయిపోయింది అంటే మొత్తం ఒరిజినల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ పోతుంది. సో ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది మనం అది ఎట్లా తెలుసుకోవాలంటే త్రీ టెక్నిక్ ఆర్ దేర్. One technique, we need to see the bounding box of the thumbnail. Second, we need to see the FGBG color. Third, we can able to see the name of the file. Can able to see now RGB. But the time you go for the mask, it will show you layer masking. So here the things will get changed up. Because you will be working in this screen. ఈ స్క్రీన్ మీద మీరు పనిచేస్తుంది. ఆ పనిచేసిన టైంలో బ్రష్ మళ్ళీ థంబ్నెయిల్ కూడా కనపడతలేదు. లేయర్ పేరు చూస్తే తెలిసిపోతా కావాలా మన మాస్క్లో ఉందా లేదంటే ఇమేజ్లో ఉంది. ఫైన్. So whichever the little bit knowledge we do have, I'm just passing. Still that all things has to be under your control. And let's now move to the thumbnail of the mask and start taking the black and white and get it paint. So it is visible, but now it is the time to do the textures. Now switch to the thumbnail of the mask by Alt and click. Now change the color mode to difference. In the last class, we have taken a number of time to understand what is difference mode, how does it is working, what is the magic behind it. All the things are clear. Now use that knowledge on live case. What happens whenever you are painting the white over to the white, it turns into black. Now again, you are painting the white over to the black, it turns into white. And change the position, just hit it up. Job is done. Your texture is clear. Now it's the time to go for a clean setup on the middle. Just go to the normal mode and have a hit. So the texture is here. At this type, you can find the textures, and the texture comes of a random like hit on your skin with different color mode. Is it okay? And
Yes, sir.
fine, then so let's make the tagline and get it filled with the white and put the name. So start making the photographs in and out to get a comparison. Take a new layer and put the thumbnail and give the presentation. The in and the out. Is it clear? So the time go to any studio or anything, they will be asking your profile and they want to see like what you have done. Now you can give a presentation. Now let us see how to make the presentation first. So whatever the things a little we know, but we need to be sellable, right? How to make the presentation. And the client want to see the input and output. What is your present knowledge? We do have crop tool understood. We understood the crop tool, right? And crop tool is capable of creating the canvas double, right? So how to generate the canvas to go for double? How to do that? Take the crop tool, drag the edge completely to the left side till the middle button comes to the edge. Is it clear? Press the enter, get the canvas double. Now paste down your pasted image or copied image and bring it to the left side. Finish. So we got to know now what was and what is. Photoshop is very easy. Only a little focus to be done to the higher options. Photo cutting, like it is easy to get photo cutting. Just to learn like masking and blending modes. 26 blending modes and this 4 mask. If it is under your control, then it makes magic on your screen. And the higher tool are there. We have not started the pen tool, that also make a sense, and shape tool. Fine. Just hope we got to know like what is past and what is like before and after. Is it clear? It's okay. Just I'm taking your approval to go for the next. So what is the topic till now we have covered? What is layer mask and how to work with layer mask and where to use it in a practical manner. Now the next thing, same masking, higher format, just start making a little fast R&D on it. Take a new file. Right. Layer mask comes automatically. Now we have done the layer mask in 2 methods, either by clicking over here or by going to the layer menu and asking the software layer mask. But the third way to make layer mask is inside your layer window, the middle button in the down. You find around 7 buttons are there. The exact middle button is called technically adjustment layers button. Click over there and you'll find a first button called solid color. Get it? Okay. So this is a method how to make a layer mask to a solid layer. It is also a way where you can find the mask. But what is the advantage of here? At any time, we can able to change the color. At any time, we can able to hide the person and make the visiting card, brochure, mattam either technique, right? And suddenly the client asks you to change the color. Just have a click and get it changed. So now what you got to know, before whatever the things you have learned, it is also way and it is also way. That is also way and it is also way. In the previous method, what you have done, you have taken a new layer, like new canvas, taken this, take a new layer, get it okay, fill the color, very nice, the job is done up. But the time the client asks something to add up or suddenly to get changed, it is difficult. Easy to make, but difficult to change. But the method, whatever we have learned now, a little difficult to understand, but it is faster to modify. Just it is a comparative format, like what starter does and what professional does. Just we can able to make a list out. Starter always work with selection. This is starter and this is professionals. Output will be the same, but professional does with mask. The difference, it is easy to understand, but a little difficult to understand, but modification is much more faster in professional way. Starter ways of making modification becomes difficult. That is only the difference, which is not visible on the front end. Because always the client will be requiring to go for modification. At the time, the first technique will again start the work, but the second technique is only to modify. It saves your time. So Photoshop does have two methods, like starter level and professional level. Starter level is the easiest method. So whatever it has been taught in the classroom and all things, that is starter method. Easy to understand. But what is the difficulty? It is difficult to modify. But the professional method, not easy to start up, because you will be working somewhere, it will be visible somewhere. My masking you can see now. But what is the plus point? It is easy to modify. Just whatever I got to know that I 15 years that I'm providing you in a comparative manner, because on the screen it is a box only. On the screen is a box only, but it can be done in this way or it could be done in this way. But what is the method we are adapting? That does make the sense. By now, it is a mask and start filling it up. So how to fill the mask? With the past knowledge. Edit, fill, which color? White color. In which mode? Difference mode. What is the output? Completely the difference. Is it clear now? Now you have started experimenting with the different concepts. Instantly you change your screen. No again selection, nothing. Block it up. Switch to the screen. Fill it up. Get it black. Get the screen to get down. Transform, get it here. Get it okay. Switch to the option. Alt S. Get it turned into black color. So just a minute. Alt S. It's black. Turn into white. 2 pixels. Is it clear? So what exactly we are doing? Know where we are painting the things. We are just painting on the mat. Because the whole deliver happen inside the mat in black and white, the color can be turned within fraction of a second. If the client asks, I need the flavor of blue, then you can switch to the blue. If red, you can switch to the red. So what we have learned, how it could be used. How to use the blend. Cool, like if sometimes it is difficult, nothing to get worried, but this is to be learned, you just fix it up in the brain. Selection, election, YouTube lo adro choose yenni complete అయిపోతుంది ఏం problem లేదు. But the concept has to be learned. 4 things: mask concept, blend concept, channels. Where big money is there, just I'm ready to open. This is the place where challenging tasks are there. And if that is understood, then Photoshop to the next height. And out of that, this topic we are covering. But initially, we have just taken few time to make the mind makeup to understand the initial tools. But that is not a big tool. That is not a big things you can handle easily. But the things to be understood, this masking. Chalo, any question in this topic at present?
Sir,
Yes.
photo editing is also done in mask only, no, sir?
This is one of the way. So one of the way.
Just like you just showed us difference, no, sir? Just
Yeah.
color blending is done in masks, sir.
Photo cutting can be done with your normal tool. Photo cutting can be done with your masking tool. Both
Sir,
of them.
it's blending, sir. Blending only done through mask only, no, sir? Color blending. You
A
put
color blending can be done to the mask. Color blending can be done to the image also.
reversible is no direct image. Mask is
A
reversible.
little, down the slow down your voice because it is humming here.
Sir.
Would you? Yes.
Color blending is see permanent change is done. If you permanent change cannot be done if you done directly on image. Uh, uh, we can always change the colors or blending, but if you done on mask, sir, is it audible, sir?
It's audible, but your statement is a little complex. I can't understand the
So
statement.
what I'm saying is masks you are always can you just mentioned no sir always can change the colors and you
No,
can always blend.
mask is to hide and so, not to change the colors. Color changing is happening in the image thumbnail. Mask doesn't never change the color.
Only hide and show. You just showed us blending. No, sir. Blending is also hide and show kind of thing.
Blending is happening inside the mask, not with colors, with the black and white. Even the blend we are doing is with black and white only. No color concept here. Is it okay? But blending more math is working here. It's okay?
Sir, last class.
Haha. So this is different color modes blend concept is working. Fine then. So hope you got to know how does this visiting cards and all things would have been done. So switch to the option visiting card. You can find this option. All professional cards, what they would have been done, you can able to predict. So this safe cuttings to be done up. So start taking some visiting card as a reference and start doing the experiment on it. And get your mask to turn around, get your transformations, all the knowledge to be used there. Just have to start touching to the professional side of the Photoshop. Do understand? Sometimes it is confused, but if you cannot understand this, it's to the next level. If it is not understandable, no need to get worried. Only use this first tools and you'll get a job. Getting job is easy here. Rectangle tool, lasso tool, irundu tool, control వచ్చిందంటే job అయిపోతాం. In job, only they will ask to get photo cutting, some layout, but masking to be learned proper. Fine then, okay, it will come with time. I got to know after 10 years. So it is not like a 10-minute game. Fine then, the things we have learned at present, what is layer masking? What is the concept of masking? What is white, what is black? How to make layer mask? How many type of methods are there? Where it could be used to make a photo mixing, to make a photo presentation, to make a layout, and what are the other way to generate the layer mask, and what is the difference between taking a new layer and filling a color and making a solid color layer. So the two things we got to know. What is the difference between normal layer and solid layer? Professionals works on solid layer. Starter works on layer. So the difference is here. And layer is easy to understand. Solid layer, difficult to understand. So just make you, the whole scenario goes in this way. What is easy, what is difficult. And we need to switch from this part to this part, then the salary will grow high. Job can get in the first level, but the salary will grow once you touch to the solid layer. Fine, then so let's move to the third method to make the layer mask. So two method, okay? First, second, third. Three methods of layer masking is done up. Now we are switching to the fourth method of doing layer mask. Take a new file, make a selection, open an image, select it up, copy it up, close the file. Now here, ask to the software, edit, paste special, and go for the option called paste into, Alt Control Shift V. This is another way to make the mask, layer masking. So we have understood now a new topic called paste into. paste into. Alt, Control, Shift plus B. This is a method of pasting only, but it pastes the information inside a selection. And it generates a mask thumbnail beside to the image, so that the mask can be moved separately. Whatever the person you want to show, you can show it up. It is done. So let us make the summary to written on the screen. What we have learned, how many type of masking, layer masking, again can be done in 4 different methods. But henceforth, what are the classes will be happening? A little higher options. So make sure like you are sensitive and present. First method is layer thumbnail, layer mask button. And the second, layer menu. And third one is to generate the layer mask through the option solid layer. And the fourth one, we can generate through paste into. Paste into. So these many methods we got to know today how to make layer mask. And okay, then I'm not making you more strain, but try some photo mixing and get the things to be happen. So let us see the examples. I'll start off making 4 or 5 examples on your screen. So hide all the things. Drag 2 photographs. Okay, open the next photo. Or like same range 2 photographs. Okay. Without character. We need to mix these 2 BGs. Drag and drop here. Get it okay. So switch to the thumbnail. Get the brush. Get it hide. Brush. Switch to the mask thumbnail. Make sure you are in normal mode. Right. So what I've seen now, you start up blending them together on your screen. Just the brush. You can fuse the things together. In every film poster, you can find this kind of signatures. They blend the photographs in an artistical manner so that people cannot able to find like where the mixing has been done. So do a random exercise. Copy the image, touch down here, get over here, make up. Right, copy it up, come down here, press it down, Control T, give a right click, switch to the flip, okay, and get it placed wherever you like. Then click over there, take your brush, just make the size of your brush down, mix it up. It's okay. How to blend them? Just 2-3 clicks, and you find this is what you have done the work to mix the things. No photo cutting, masking, few steps. And wonderful output can be come from your end because every brain is special and you can make the magic. Is clear? Now to add up a few more things, yes, get this idea to fill with the white. Or like, okay, fine, if it is not happening. Now take a new layer, solid, you have understood. Get it okay? Fill it down with the black and get it here. Fill the white. Switch over and take the brush, switch over here. Good. 2-3 clicks. Blend. Right? Is it clear? Now how to make photo mixing. So everything is happening on your front. Wherever you're not getting, make me stop so I can make you explain. But we are not doing anything new. Whatever we have learned in the class, that is used. Get it filled, finish. Start.
सर एक बार फिर से बताना.
Ardhamanda, or any question?
एक बार फिर से बताना सर ये.
ठीक है, मैं पूरा निकाल दिया. Plain canvas. Wherever you're not getting, stop me up. Right? Switch to the image. Already it is copied up. Hope. Get it paste and go to the bright part. Right, get some image. Switch, copy the image, get it paste. Right, place wherever you like, and get it order in which way you want, and get it flip. And now it is the time to get mask. How to mask? Click the button, switch to the image, get it okay. Paste. Concept to be get clear, because work is very simple, but what is the concept behind it and which logic that are to be learned. Just you're just painting it up. Now it is the time to go for like make a solid, get it okay, switch over here, fill the color, get the rectangle tool, get it strip, get it fill. Yes. Now switch to the brush, go to the mask and get it out. So make sure like you're painting on the mask. So with the black, so to hide. And again the small strip, yes. And get it filled with white, yes. Right. Charisma album and all things like where single like screen, the costing is 70 rupees in the present market. It start from 30 to 70 rupees. If you're hitting like 10, then it's okay. 700 rupees within like 1-2 hours can be generated. It's possible. And people are doing in the market. Only photo mixing, blending them and we have not started up talking with the pen tool and also then typing and all things will start up. Is it clear? Hope you got the things, or else if you have any doubt, we can make it clear in the next class. Fine then. I'll be stopping the screen.